it out. Let us enter the prompt in ChatGPT. I have a YouTube channel about digital marketing. Can you suggest some content ideas? Can you make a brief outline for my channel? The best thing about ChatGPT is that you can make the answer more tailored, polished, and actionable. Example prompt: I run a YouTube channel focused on digital marketing tips for small businesses selling office supplies. Can you suggest some content ideas? Theoretically, there is no limit to the number of ideas that ChatGPT can generate. The range and quality of ideas depend on the specificity and clarity of your prompts. You can continue to refine and repeat your questions to produce an extensive variety of ideas. You need to practice with ChatGPT prompt writing to get the best results. Number 10. Use of long-tail keywords for content idea generation and topic selection. Using a long-tail keyword as compared to short-tail keywords for YouTube content generation allows for more focused content creation that directly meets the target audience's specific needs or interests. Many individuals prioritize short-tail keywords, yet there is a lot of potential for content idea generation with long-tail keywords. Let's see an example to illustrate this. A short-tail keyword would look like this: make money online. While a long-tail keyword would look like this: how to make money online as a teenager. Another example for a short-tail keyword would look like this: digital marketing. While a long-tail keyword would look like this: best digital marketing strategies for small businesses. Identifying long-tail keywords can highlight gaps in existing content, providing opportunities for new, unique content creation. Long-tail keywords provide specific topics to address, making it easier to generate focused content ideas. Number 11. Social media listening. Social media listening can be a powerful tool for identifying ideas for content creation and topic generation by monitoring and analyzing conversations and trends across various platforms like Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and LinkedIn. Through social media listening, you can identify popular topics in your specific chosen niche. By leveraging social media listening, you can stay informed about what matters to your audience and generate content ideas that are both relevant and engaging. Number 12. Use of content aggregation applications. Content aggregation applications are tools that collect and organize content from various sources into a single, unified platform. These applications help users stay updated with the latest information from multiple sources such as websites, blogs, news outlets, and social media channels, all consolidated into one place. Feedly, a widely used news aggregator that lets users organize content from various sources into customizable feeds. Flipboard, an app that curates news and stories based on user interests, displayed in a magazine-style format. Pocket allows users to save articles, videos, and web pages to view later, even offline. Press Reader, a personalized news aggregation app that learns user preferences and curates content accordingly. iNoreader, a powerful content reader that offers extensive customization and integration options. Content aggregation applications are ignored by content creators as they are not aware of the numerous benefits that they provide. These applications provide a continuous stream of content ideas and trends to inspire new content creation. They also help in conducting thorough research by aggregating expert opinions, data, and news from trusted sources. They make it easier to stay informed and gather relevant information quickly. Number 13. Google Trends and Twitter Trends. Google Trends is a public web service provided by Google that allows users to see how often specific keywords, search terms, topics, or phrases have been queried over a certain period of time. Twitter Trends are the most popular topics and hashtags currently being discussed on Twitter. Twitter Trends reflect what's happening in real time. They show the most talked about topics at any given moment. If we go to Google Trends and type in the keywords digital marketing, then press Explore button, it easily organizes the data into different headings such as interest over time, interest over regions, related topics, and related queries. Google Trends also allows for the comparison of multiple search terms. It's a valuable tool for marketers, researchers, content creators, and anyone interested in understanding search trends and behaviors. Similarly, with Twitter Trends, we can identify what's currently popular or gaining traction within our specific niche. Leveraging these trending topics to create timely content can align with current public interest. This approach is effective for creating viral content as it capitalizes on existing trends. Number 14. Content repurposing. This involves taking existing content, such as popular blog posts or infographics, and transforming them into YouTube videos. This strategy allows you to reach a wider audience by presenting the information in a different format, catering to those who prefer watching videos over reading articles or listening to podcasts. Content repurposing is a common and effective strategy used by content creators. If you use all the 14 methods that we showed, you might experience information overload. Don't get stuck or confused. This is a master course, and we aim to show you the maximum number of ways to generate topics in your niche. Start by picking a topic and writing the script. Don't spend too much time debating whether a topic is good or bad. Don't spend weeks on topic selection, as there are too many options. Simply choose a topic and start. Don't get bogged down. This might feel like information overload, but our goal is to inform you of all the best ways to select topics. You need to begin. Just pick something and start. Remember, as Jack Ma said, don't aim for perfection, just start. Perfection comes with practice, which you will gain over time.